For this given item, we are to evaluate the integral of 6z dz from 1 to 2 plus I. You can see here that it is structured similarly with some of the integrals that we had using the functions on real numbers. But this time, since we are on complex numbers, and take note that one of our boundaries, let's say the upper boundary, has imaginary unit, we're going to use that as well here. But of course, the same rules will be followed for some of the situations similar to this one. So we can apply here in this manner. We have here the integral of 6z dz from 1 to 2 plus I. So of course, by linearity property, you can have here 6 outside because it's a constant. You have here the integral of your z dz from 1 to 2 plus I. Okay? Now, take note that if we have here the integral of c dz, it follows the same idea for the integral of your u du, or u to the n du, where our n here is 1. So this is actually equivalent to the u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. So we have here 6 times z 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, or basically we know that as z times z squared over 2, but you are to evaluate that from 1 to 2 plus I. This could be simplified to 3. Okay, so you will have here the form 3z squared, again evaluate from 1 to 2 plus I. So as we have that, this is equivalent to 3 upper boundary 2 plus I squared minus 3 lower boundary 1 squared. Now, take note we have here a square of a binomial expression. If you don't want to write that there, of course you can have it here. 2 plus I squared, which is 2 plus I times 2 plus I. Okay? So by multiplying them, FOIL method, 4 plus 2I plus 2I and plus I squared. Take note that I squared is equal to negative 1. So you have here 4 plus 4I minus 1, which would give us 3 plus 4I. Then, that is actually the result here. 3 times 3 plus 4I minus 3, just for the value of the second term. To continue, this is of course 9 plus 12I minus 3, which would give us a final answer of 6 plus 12I. This is the result, or the integral of the given value here, or given expression, the integral of 6z dz from 1 to 2 plus I. The result is 6 plus 12I. Thank you very much for watching.